subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has launched its new affordable 5G phone in India called Vivo T1, and it is different from the Chinese version that was launched back in October last year. Talking about the specifications, the new Vivo T1 5G features a tall 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate support. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4, 6 or 8 GB of RAM that can be extended up to 4 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, which is also expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the new Vivo T1 5G supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50 megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16 megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 18 watt fast charging support. And on the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on FunTouchOS 12 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it has tablet standard cooling system that helps to reduce the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164 by 75.84 by 8.25 mm, and it weighs around 187 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The new Vivo T1 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 15,990 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 16,990 Indian rupees. And the higher variant with 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 19,990 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from February 14th in Rainbow Fantasy and Starlight Black color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo T1 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.